Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is another live session. What's up, Fat Boy Drizzy? All right. So we got another live session. Oh, I didn't realize y'all couldn't see my other scanner down there. Let me move that so y'all can see it. That should be better. Let's see. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live trading session on Hump Day, Wednesday. CWBR. Right, so did I already? You check CPI data? CPI, let's see. CPI. CPI data. What's up, J Kratz? Um, Yesterday, I know I missed a lot of messages in the chat. I literally glimpsed over there while I was in different trades. But sometimes when I'm in a trade, I'm just zoned in and I will miss oh, look at MDIA getting back up there. Anyway, I will miss some messages when it's rolling through, especially when I'm in a trade. But yeah, good morning to everybody. Try to keep up with it. It's quite difficult to try to read the chat and understand what's going on in trade. MDIA was one that I got a rip on yesterday. See, it kind of looks a little funky right now, but it has been making quite crazy moves. So I got one scanner over here. Let me make sure y'all can see that scanner. Yeah, y'all can see it. One scanner over here and one over here. These are the low floats, and these are pretty much all. Or wait, where'd it go? These are pretty much all of the small cap movers that are not low floats, or not low floats in my opinion. CWBR. Oh, consumer price index. I thought that was a ticker you put in there. I was like, what? No, I have not checked the consumer price index on any of these. Let me go see what the that float is on CBWR. CWBR. Okay. CWBR, the float is 48.20 million. A little bit higher float, but it is a cheaper stock. Yeah, about 48. Did CBR have any shelves? CWBR does have a shelf registration for January of this year. on CWBR, so it may be a little shaky. $48 million with a shelf January this year. Okay. All right, what else we got? GTIM has been consolidating around this level, kind of came up here and flat topped on this top of the 617 a couple of times. We'll see what it wants to do. GTIM. Float is 9.08 million. No shelf registrations. Okay. Yeah. All right, so we will see. And then DYAI keeps popping up here for some reason. Let's go look at the news on that one. Sorrento Dynamic or Dyadic announced binding term sheet to license Dyadic lead COVID vaccine candidate and C1 technology for protein-based coronavirus vaccines and therapeutics. That's the latest news. Let's see what the first news was this morning. It was a Form 8K announced binding term sheet. Binding term sheet. Yeah, not too interesting right there, but we will see. DYAI. Let's see what that float is. Float of 19.34 million according to Finviz. Float of 9.36 according to Yahoo Finance. That's a big gap. That's 10 million shares missing. Okay, DYI. With a shelf registration from 2020. So that may be a weird one as well. FULC back on the scanner as well. Let me go and add this before I forget. 9 to 19 mil. Shelf 2020. Okay. So, below average. Below average. Okay. FULC couldn't hold the scanner. Let's go look at what it's doing out here. It had good Q3 earnings on I believe that was not this one. Yeah. GTIM. Yeah, it has super good earnings, but we're just gonna have to see what it wants to do. It kind of slowed down. I don't know where the actual focus is in the small caps right now, but FULC was a mover from yesterday. Very, very way more expensive. $22 there. And already ramping up there. This one has a shelf registration on it as well from 2020. So we'll see what kind of action it can get, but Boy, that thing's getting on up there, getting expensive. And it was very choppy yesterday on that move up to the top. We saw green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, and then small, consistent green, and then a big green. So it was very inconsistent on FULC. Oh, Fat Boy Drizzy, man. Too high is $100 per share. That's too high. No, I'm playing. I'm playing. Yeah, $22 is very high. Everything else is pretty much around the price range that we like. You know, $2. We got MDIA over here at $11. We got to see what that's gonna do. Very low volume. Has a nice daily chart, but I don't know where the resistance is going to actually hold it. Looks like it has a top from yesterday of the 1157. It's gonna have to hold up today. So I put that as support. 1157. I want to see it test back down there since it's already moving up. And then it has, let me make this bigger. Has a little bit, what's the top of this? High of the 12, whoops, 1225 there. Maybe a little bit of resistance. So I want to see it hold that level. Then I'll mark the rest of it. A little bit of resistance through here. And I don't know if it can get up to 17, but I'll put one up there just in case. Oops. Okay. All right. So that's all of that taken care of. GTIM just fading off right now. Had a good daily chart. It's actually up here at the 570s. 70s up here. So I guess the bottom would probably be the 535. It needs to hold above. That's where I would like to see it hold above 535. Then it has a top side resistance of the 638. Make sure I put those in the right place. 530s and then a top side up there. Beyond that top side, let's see. Not too much resistance. Actually, it's quite a bit right here. But this was 2015 though. So I don't know if 2015 is gonna affect 2021 like that. I'm not gonna mark those. CWBR struggling to hold that $2 level. Oh, it already cracked it. Never mind. DYAI getting plenty of topping tail wicks, plenty of shelf registrations galore. So don't like that one. That's why the volume is so low on it, even though it looks so good on the 15-minute. FULC, lower volume. Well, we'll just have to see what wants to become the stock of the day. GTIM. Trying to hold up the 8. Well, just broke the 80s. DYAI breaking down. FULC, boy, that was, how in the world would you know to enter there? Explosion from the 2050 all the way up to the 2189. Just a sporadic explosion. Let me look at the volume. Let's see. Yeah, that one had just a little bit of volume. 113 shares moved it up that much. I mean, 113,000 shares. And then didn't even reach a million shares on any of those bars. Good morning, LJ44. Are you still in FULC, LJ? Because it definitely blessed you with some profits if you were. Oh, got you. Yeah, this was a scary one though. It just didn't really have a lot of confirmation in here to be a good entry. So definitely can throw you off in the pre-market. In at 22.18, 22.18, 22.18 up here. So you were in here after it broke out. Nice. Very choppy stock. Look at it fighting for cents. Fighting for like 4 cents. Oh man, Ben called me. Hey Ben, can you hear me? Ben. Well,
Hell,
yo, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
right, we're having some technical difficulties apparently. I don't know if it's on my side or his side.
Jesus, you are loud. Let me
I
turn you down a
cannot
little
hear him.
bit. You can't hear me? We can hear you over here. T for technical difficulties.
Yeah, okay, I can hear you. It's just not in my headphones for some reason, which is gonna pick up on my mic. So hold on just a second. Let's see.
Yeah, you gotta get that right, man.
What's that?
I said you gotta get that right, man.
I know. Good morning, Brian C. Good morning, Eric Kemper. Good morning, Donnell.
Anyway,
You
let's
guys
see.
hear how in the thing besides on my microphone?
Praise the Lord, everyone. We're opening up testimonial services now. Need all
Is that what
y'all.
kind of day it's looking like already?
Yes, dude. There was one ripper from yesterday, FULC, but it is so expensive. It's like 23 bucks.
Let's see. Let's see. Brian C said NRXP.
NRXP.
Yeah.
Not seeing that one.
Somebody else, Fubo, said that they can't hear you clearly. Hold on. Let me see if I can fix this.
Yeah, NRXP is super red
Well,
on the day.
it's in a big triangle though. If it breaks, it's got to break that 200. It's got a ways to go before it breaks.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
You know what time it is, right? BT time.
Man, BT is you really jumping back in there on the bottom, wherever it is.
Maybe it held up the 10-day moving average at 13, got bought up off of it, holding above 15 in support. So it may be done with the sell off because I'll tell you right now, cryptos are hot.
Oh man, cryptos.
Nothing like waking up with a whole bunch of cryptos in your portfolio.
Oh my
That joke
gosh.
sounds a lot better in my head, but that's okay.
Oh man, can y'all hear Ben in my chat? I don't know if they can hear you. I guess I'm seeing your volume levels, so they should be able to hear you.
Yeah, the infrastructure state tech crew said that they killed crypto on the Congress floor. Um, I saw that, but then there was an article, and I posted this last night on the Framework Fortune crypto channel that said that the bill ended up going through, but it's a lot less crazy as it was because the bill that was going to go through was going to destroy all of us pretty much, all of us traders. So I don't know, but it said it still has to go back through the House again. So I don't know. It's hard to tell. All the news channels are crazy. Yeah, let's see. Big BTB. Yeah, BTBT's looking nice. Yeah, yeah. Might be another BTBT day. How's BITF looking? Yeah, BITF looking good too.
Everything looking good, huh?
The cryptos, the crypto stocks, Doximity to the moon. Have no idea what that is. AHPI. HPI could get going if it breaks this triangle thing it's been in on the daily. Eh. I don't like that it pulled back in the triangle yesterday. Yesterday it should have broke, and this is like a fake out breakout. So I'd be careful. Let me see here. So what was that? What was the one that you were telling me about yesterday that I didn't catch? The one that had the Berkshire Hathaway news.
Oh, that was ZEV. I hadn't even looked at it today. I forgot all about it. It is red on the day as of now, but it's going flat around the $11 level. Moved up.
Yeah, Berk at 12. I could get going again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, above all EMA. Oh yeah, break at 12. It's got room up to 14 and 15. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
very nice.
But we will see what it wants to do. It went up and touched the 1230. Double topped up there. Well, actually, it touched that earlier in the day as well. So it touched it 3 times. So it's a little bit of resistance. And then it fell down back to 950 and then worked its way up all the way back to the 12s. So fell
Hmm.
$3, worked its way back up.
Well, it's kind of almost a head and shoulders pattern right now.
Yeah, well,
If it
I'm
look
not
at the
gonna be
break of
jumping
day
into
12.
it. I saw it. Yeah, that thing looks deadly.
Oh, you see it now? You see the head and shoulders now?
Yeah, I'm seeing it. I
All right.
saw it.
CEV. Interesting.
All right.
Hmm.
So what I got on my scanners
Yeah.
is CWBR, FULC, DYAI, GTIM, and MDIA.
CDYAI. Yep.
CWBR has some earnings PR that came out today. They're up like 28% or something like that.
Blech.
Um, and then DYAI, what was the news on that one? DYAI was like a term, like a binding term sheet. Not really good news.
What?
Uh,
That sounds
um,
like trash.
yeah, but GTIM was it's like restaurants, good times restaurants. They got some pumping going on over there.
They're pumping the restaurant, man.
Yeah, man, pumping the restaurants. So I'm just gonna sit back and watch. I don't see anything with Catalyst that I just want to dive into. So I'm just gonna see what's gonna become the obvious stock.
I would say Fubo is definitely on a nasty run, but I don't want to touch it. I mean, it's $33 now. It takes a lot of capital. It did run, and it's not that big of a run for this high price of a stock.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not messing with Fubo. TSRP. I'm just going through and scan myself here. Mogo. Uh, I've got I've got earnings. Hey, look at there. DRD. Oh, for everybody, yesterday I cut all of my swing trades out and then bought DRD gold because it was low. So
DRV?
DRD.
DRD.
It's a gold stock. It's not gonna like probably do anything much today, but at
That
this low price, DRD is going to go up in
that
the next week or two.
that daily chart is below the 200 moving average.
That's because the washout on gold Sunday it dropped all of them, but the gold and silver is coming back up. It was an over panic washout. So this is not going to turn bearish and drop super low unless the whole market drops or gold drops even more. But let me
One
see, where's gold at?
one life said, yeah, Fubo is out of your price range. Stick to the $1 to $2 stocks, bro.
Yeah, I will.
You ain't gotta tell me twice.
Yeah. Nice diss. You got me. Way to start the morning off, one life. Lay off the cocaine. Let's see, what am I looking for? Oh yeah, the indexes here, the futures. Yeah, so
um,
the silver and gold's already rebounding.
yeah. One life
So
said, that daily chart looks like trash on the gold
doesn't matter.
chart.
Doesn't matter. Does not matter what you think about the daily chart. Has nothing to do with the gold and silver. He doesn't trade gold and silver, so tell him to stick to his yogurt shops or whatever he invests in.
Oh man.
Hello, Lori. Good morning. Gordon, another $16 day. Are you talking about HPI? Maybe. And RXP is in stage 3 of all trials and doing good. I didn't like the way. Let's see. Let me look at NXRP. Oh yeah, it's just big triangle. Uh, I don't know. I mean, it sounds like this would be a good, like more of a swing trade than a day trade because there's
Uh,
only 33,000 in volume on it currently.
one life said, "I'll stick to being wealthy. You stick to dreaming."
Okay. Yeah,
Oh.
with his one source of income of trading, the stock market dies. He literally can't make any money.
he said,
Stock market dies. I'm chilling. I can go right to cryptos.
shots fired.
The only shots fired is all that vodka he's drunk this morning with that Russian Daniel B.
Oh man.
Don't you know one life can't be TUI? Can't be trading under the influence. Go eat some Pop Tarts and sleep that vodka off. Make sure you got some Vaseline, some little maybe some hemorrhoid cream or something since you've been hanging out with Daniel B a lot. You know how sneaky he is. Might Bill Cosby you.
Oh my god. Uh, one life said, you can't short. Well, I guess neither one of us short. We really just go long, We go against the tide.
Oh, wait, what is this? You can't short.
Yeah.
You can't short. Oh no, I can't short. It's the end of the world. I mean, if I switch to a margin account, I could short, but then I'd only be able to trade 3 times a week. So that doesn't make sense. All right, enough with the nonsense this morning. Let's get serious here. We got 5 minutes left. I'm ready to make some money.
All right.
Oh, this DUI DYAI is in a flag pattern here.
Yeah, I saw
This is
that.
that binding term sheet you were talking about.
Yeah, it's got the 450 as a top,
Yeah.
but it's also right there at the 200 moving average. The 200 moving average SMA is 489, so I would be very careful with that.
Oh yeah, the EMA is at 480.
Yeah,
So
you need to get the SMA, bro. The EMA has you so off.
what are you talking? It says 489. The EMA is at 480. It's no 9 cent difference.
Nah, bro, that's too. That's no, bro. You gotta get exact.
EMA is exact. It's exponential. It's more calculated than the simple is.
No, it's
So that's
more. It's more reactive. It's not more calculated. It's just more
you using
reactive.
you using potato indicators.
All right. Well, we're gonna
Science.
we're gonna go ahead and break off. We got 4 minutes to the bell. I
All right.
wish you luck, and hopefully you don't be calling me with a sad story, and I don't call you with a sad story.
Yeah, no sad stories today other than one life's hair.
Well, on that note, what's up, Daniel B? Daniel B just came in, boy. Daniel B, you just missed the roast session between One Life and Ben, but we're about to break it off, man. All right. I'll catch you later.
All right, sounds good.
All right. Bye bye.
Where's Discord at? All right.
All right. All right. All right. We got GTM. We got 3 minutes to the bell. Got a bunch of stocks that are looking very questionable. FULC, I'll probably just watch this one fail to see if it'll fail. Pretty much, pretty sure it's going to. It is very extended off that bottom. It'll be very hard to hold those highs without those people throwing out their shares. We'll watch it though. Got 2 minutes to the bell. I'm gonna run to the restroom really quick. All right. Got a couple seconds left. About to get this party started. All right. Good morning to everyone that's tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button. And we're about to get into it. The day has started. We're gonna see what kind of action happens on FULC first. Punching up there on this first little 5 minute candle. Big drop. Does it want to dump? I think it does. MDIA jumping up there as well. Getting on up there. Let's run around real quick and see what else is up here. GTM looking very nasty. DYAI still consolidating in this level. FULC. CWBR was struggling today. It's a $2 stock. I don't think that one can do much. The struggle is real. FULC pushing up there. GTIM, CWR. CWBR did double top up here. Looks like 208s. DYAI also broke that high in there. Has that 200 moving average right there at the 488s now. Let's see, what did it touch? It touched the 475 there. FULC. All right. Who wants to be the one? AHPI. I'm looking at this daily chart. It's not looking too appetizing right there. DYIA. I want to see the action at the 480s, 488. Can it cross that border? Pre-market high was the 450s, so I put that as support on the 15-minute. Can it hold up this 450 level? Got another little bit of support down here at the 425s. Okay, GTIM. Top and tail. AHPI looking like it's giving up the ghost. LC. CWBR. This one, $2 stock, has a little bit of resistance up here at the 220s. It did just double top. Needs to break that double top here, 210s. Pre-market highs were up here at the 220, so let me put that as resistance. Let's see what that one wants to do. AHPI going down even lower. DYAI testing down as well. Nice topping tail there. 212s. Need to see that one do a little bit of consolidating. I don't want to enter here. 220. Two 14s. Getting on up there. DYAI. Huge top and tail on that 15-minute coming back down there to the 450s. GTIM going red on the day. It's about to make its exit. Nice top and tail on the 15-minute. AHPI doing the same thing. Mid caps dipping. Nice, nice. Everything looks like it's dipping. Okay. So if this one can consolidate a bit, I will look for entries on CWBR. Will it break down at 15? It's getting on up there though. Getting right up there to that resistance level. I want to see it tested since it's so close. See what happens at the 220. What will happen? Two 16s. Yeah. Got some other stocks popping in here. ORPH. Doesn't have as much volume though. 17s. Can we see the 18s? Can it get up there and touch that 20 so we can kind of see the action? 15s. CWBR is 70% up with a 62 million float. Yeah, yeah, I know. I know what it's up. Let's see, HPI. Did that one go back up? Nope. Dip down there. Wait for it to find a bottom. Let me mark the daily chart on that one as well. HPI. Daily chart. Let's see, it has a bottom here. Change this one to, I want to see it hold above this little level here, 12. What's the top of this? 1240. Let's see what it does. Oh, it's right at 1240. DYAI, not looking too good. AHPI also looking like, let's see if it'll break the bottom of this candle. 34s. Trying to get back up there. All right, broke the 20. Got up there and touched the 20. Now let's see the action at this 20. Will it dump or what? Woo! Look at that. Look at that rejection off the 20. That's why I wanted to see it touch it first. See how hot the stove was. Looks like the stove was turned all the way up. Nice. All right, ORPH. Did this one have any news today? No news today, just going up. On the daily chart, though, it looks kind of good. Oh, there's a 200 moving average up there at the 909. So that's definitely mental resistance. Go. AHPI got right back up there. Jumped up there to the 13s on AHPI. I like the way it's disrespecting VWAP like that. I like that. Just cares nothing about it. Which means I can't use it as a technical. Yet. Only 1 million in the volume. It is fighting quite a bit of a downtrend here. So I'll be very careful on that. All right, let's see. Yeah, that's definitely gonna need some room to work on itself. FULC came down. Oh yeah, that thing's red. It should be red on the day right now. Yeah. Super expensive. But I mean, if you want to play it, it is red on the day though. With a huge top and tail on the 15-minute. I'm gonna be watching AHPI for now though. It looks like if it can consolidate a little bit, it may be a nice one. But we will see. The previous low was down here at the 1214. So I put that as the support here. Because if it wants to just go here, it'll just go without me. I'm not too worried about it. Support there, and then maybe if it can hold over this 1280, that'll be nice as well. 1280 right there. Will it stay below the 13s here? Looks like it's holding up the oh, quick dip under the 13. Now, will it break out of the 90s into the 80s? Okay. Good morning. Sympathy card. Great. AHPI getting a little bit of task. What is task? Oh, that thing's huge. That thing is huge. Stupid. Stupid big float. Big boy. Getting up there to that top level again. Finding more resistance at that top level. I'm not liking that. Every time it gets up there, it's finding more and more resistance. So I'm going to wait for a little bit of a pullback. ORPH. Did you get a dip here? Got a little bit of a dip. Still just not liking it too much. ORPH holding up that 40 level, looks like. Draw. Support. Holding up that 40 level there. Let's see. Daily resistance. We have a 679 here. 679, and then maybe a little bit at the 755s. That one may be a very slow mover today. ORPH pushing on up there. How far was this push out? 30 cents? Ugh. Wait for a bit of a pullback. Today I'm gonna be patient. I got time, so I'll be patient. FULC coming back green on the day. Can it hold green? Where's the green mark here? $24. It's got to get above the $24. 24. Hit the 24 right there. Broke it. Can it hold the 24s here? 30s. Coming back down. Looks good. If you got the account size to play with it, you know, definitely make some plays there. Looks like we got a double top up here, high of the 1364 on AHPI. All right, CWBR. Can we get any play time on it? It did try to break this level. 212s. Still got this nice top and tail. Like to see it hold up a bit. 13s. I like it. Interested. Task AHPI pulling way down. GTIM. Also trying to come back into play. Mogo has finally made it up here. Forgot the news catalyst for this one. A Form 6K reports first quarter or reports results for the quarter ended in June. Eh. I'm more interested in this guy right now. Got a bottom down here. Is this a double top or a double bottom? $2. Nice. $2. I can use that as a risk level. Let's see if it can get up off of this $2. Just need to see a pullback above the 2, and I like it. DTIM. AHPI got bought back up there. But that double top is still holding, so not too interested. GTIM getting back up to the 9 EMA moving average. They're hitting it and facing some resistance. Task. How is Task even in here? I thought I had my market cap set. Nope, I don't. Okay, there we go. I want to see a pullback above this $2 level. CWBR. ORPH going down there and testing the bottom again. Indecision to the top side of this candle may spark some continuation through the top. Let's see what kind of buying we get, but it did open up lower than this the body, the little indecision of this candle. Getting a nice little pullback above the 2 that I like. 210. So I may actually try this one. Let's go intraday. Want to see this candle close red. If it can't close red, then I'm not gonna worry about it. If it wants to just go, it can just go. It's just out of my setup then. Looking forward to close red though. OHP, the VWAP is at the 625. It just got down there. Big top and tail down there on the 15-minute. AHPI looking like it wants to test the bottom again. ACHL halted, opened up a lot higher, but I don't like all of this action. What's the news on it? Does it have a reason? No reason. Mogo getting back up there as well. Not too interested in Mogo. All right, so it's looking like this candle may close red. We'll see. Hmm. Mm. Will it be able to close red here? Two minutes left on this candle. Not looking like it wants to close red. So this will be 3 attempts to go up. Will this be a failed attempt? Ooh, looks like a double top right there. Can it break that 215? I would have liked it to close red. Back down. That double top threw everything off right there. All right, ACHL, huge float. Does it have any shelf registrations? ACHL. No shelf registrations. $2.94 million in the float. What? How? Yeah, 2.94. Wow. Must not have been on anybody's scanners because it definitely doesn't look like something that would have a float like that. I add that to my notes. 2.94 million. No shelf registrations. Okay. All right. What else we got? This one went back down to $2, which was where I wanted to see it hold, but that double top messed the whole pattern up. ORPH looking okay. What's the float on ORPH? Come on. 28 million. H. Yeah, 28 million. And then did it have a shelf? No shelf. Okay. Hmm. All right. AHPI. Boy, that thing took a gap up, didn't it? I just do not like this chart at all. Which is why I avoided it. Doesn't look like it's done yet. This move was from the third, so it did break that double top on that one. 1366 all the way up to the 14s. 43. Nice mover. Any consolidation though. CWR. Oh, ORPH. I'm just not seeing anything I want to dive into right now. Even AHPI is just too far gone. Didn't give any kind of real consolidation. Those one bar consolidations kind of messed me up. All right, so we got another double bottom down here at the $2. Wait. Another one. Mogo getting a nice topping tail. Top of this one was the high of the 650, 666. Now it did get a little bit of consolidation here behind this top and tail. 666. If this thing can start to hold over at 207, that would be nice. But it's got to get up. Top and tail on AHPI now. Mogu came up here and touched this pre-market high. Resistance, pre-market high. Could not beat that pre-market high. See if they can consolidate. Looking for it to start holding those 207s. What was the news catalyst for this one? First human trial of NAS. This is obesity drug. I don't know if that's all that's going to be able to push back up. Hmm. ORPH is definitely doing a lot of consolidating here. I think if this breaks down to $2 again, it's over. It's over, dude. All right. Mogu getting some consolidation up here. Nice, nice. It's going to be very choppy. No real consolidation on AHPI. Broke out 66 up to the 69. So 3-cent breakout right there. Not liking that. Oh, ACY. Oh, that's wow, the thing's expensive. 23 bucks. What do you mean, One Life CWBR? I was just scanning through. I haven't even seen anything I want to enter yet. I'm literally watching what, one, two, three, four, five, well, four stocks. Waiting for some kind of calming down. Because these things are going crazy. CWBR. See, it held up the 2 again. So that's multiple times holding up that $2 level, but this is a steep drop right now. I have to get back up. Start holding that set 207. But it did hold up the 2 quite a bit. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes of holding the 2. Bottom here, 199. See if it'll get pushed down red. Nice. All right, we're gonna play this one. 207's right there. Is that a double top? Can it get out of here and start holding those 207s? Can we see 208s? Waiting, watching. Nice, 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 nice. Getting up there. Not ready to go yet, though. Still holding up that 2 level. HPR. Very small movements. Huge top and tail there. Never gave any good consolidation. Just watching. Got a little level 215. All right, I like it. Holding up those 207s there. Mm-hmm. Yep. How small do I want to play this? Entered in just a little bit there. Let's see, what is this? See if it can hold up those 10s. Entered in very small share size. Looking for it to hold the 10s. 10 right there. Holding up the 7s. Can we get off the 7s and get back to the 9s? I'll be out if it breaks the $2. So $1.99. Be my out right now for these 100 shares. Sell. All right, got my stop ready to go. We'll see if it can hold up. Need to start holding up those 09s though. There, entered one time there. Back over the 9s. Can we get it? Enter right there one more time. 209. So I'm risking 9 cents. 300 shares. 9 cents. $300 shares for 9 cents. That's pretty good risk reward to me. So right under the $2 level is what I'm risking. Can we break that double top there? If it wants to stop me out, it's all good. Oh, double top there, high of the 212. You're getting out on the bottom of this candle, low $2. See if it can hold above that $2 one more again. Can we get the 207s back up there? Nice. 208s. Looking for the 208s to hold. Can we see those 208s? Nice. Added one more time there. 400 shares for $2 breakdown. Be ready to get out if it wants to fail. Nice, nice. May come down and stop me out if it can't pull back up and get those 07s on the bid. Got my stop out ready to go on it. It was the only thing that I really saw consolidate nice. So took a little stab on it. Can we get those 07s to hold? 201s will be the new out. Tens. It's the bottom of this candle. Bottom of this candle is the low of the 204. 203. Bottom of this candle, low of the 204, risking 4 cents. 204s. Big slam there. Still gonna hold what I got for now. May stop me out here. Pop back up there. 205s. Can I get the 205s back up there? 205s. Looking for those 207s to come back into play. Bottom of this candle is the 201. It'll be my new out if it can get going. You see why. Everything else is kind of looking kind of bad to me. 207s. 201. Looking for those 207s to start to hold up there. 207s, can we hold on the bid though? 208s, nice. All right, so new out is a 201. Nice. All right, so let's see if we can play ball a little bit. Balance, I'm up $16 on these 400 shares. I'm gonna see what it can give me. Nice. Nothing but reason for it to go up though. Looking to take up there near the 20s really. Be the nice take spot. Can we get those 15s up there? Need to push over the 12s here. Can we get over the 12s? Almost. Can we get the 13s back up there? 12s. Getting some buying action. 12s. All right. So we're riding it out now. 203s is my risk level. Getting shorted a little bit there. Can we hold those 12s there? Need to see those 12s hold. Get bought up here. See the 13s real quick. Looks like we got a little bit. It needs to get over the 15s is the point that it needs to reach. Taking his sweet time here. Need to see the 13s. A lot of red on the tape coming through there. Need to see those 13s quick. Two threes. See if it can hold up this previous low. If it can, that would be great. Need to see the 10s back there. We'll be getting out down here on the bottom of the 203s. Only risking like, what am I risking now? 201, so 7 cents on these 400 shares. Can we get the 13s finally? 13s becoming a struggle point 14s. Another double top. Can we break the 15s? There should have been some nice buying pressure there for it. Nice. 8 cents. Wow. Nice little pullback there. See if it can hold around this level. Thirteens. Can we get the 13s to hold? 13. Can we get them on the bid? We're seeing them on the bid. 13s. The top side of this is the 12s. Can we see the 12s hold here? It's taking its sweet time. Being a semi-sporadic stock. But I do have my out, so it's whatever. Whatever it wants to do here. Wants to go up, cool. We will manage this thing properly. Rainy. What else? HPI. All right. Back to this one. Trying to see. What does it want to do for me? Hitting a lot of resistance up here. A lot of top and tails. I am only up 21 bucks on this little 400 shares. So it's a very slow mover. Can get past that 15. Right now, I'm looking at the 204 as a out. 203 just to risk like 3 cents on this trade. 203 because it's looking like it wants to come stop me. Nice. Well, I guess I'll keep my risk where it is. See if it can get bought up and consolidate around here. Still has not dropped towards the 2 yet. See if it can consolidate over VWAP and move higher. What else we got? HPI. Looks like it's winding up. Still needs to consolidate some more. All right. Ooh, that's a big top and tail on the 15-minute there. See if it can hold up the tens. What is red on the day for it? Red on the day is 195. So I'm a little bit above that. Can we get those eights to hold? Looks like there's a little bit of buying pressure. And this one's got like 3 minutes left on it. Sixes. Need it to hold above that two. One more time. Looking for another bottom here is what I'm doing. See if I can move up the bottom, possibly. Well, that's not good. Let's see. It's really not good. Getting some consolidation here. Needs to hold above that 208. Need to see the 208s back on the bid and holding. Looking for this new bottom to form. Can we get back across the 209s? 208s. Getting heavy there. May come and stop me out here. Need to see those 07s. 204s. 207s. Will this be the new bottom? Will this one go green? Can we see some more green here? See that 206 start to hold on the bid green. And we get that 206 to start to hold, start pushing those shorts out. Oh, waiting around, waiting around. I may need to give this one some more room. Let me see. Scoot this down. Scoot this down a bit. looking for those 08s to hold. If it can push through that top here, the high of the 08, I'll make this the new bottom. If not, I'm gonna be looking to get out. Let's see, 203, 202. 202 will leave me with just a small little loss. 202 will be a little bit of a risk here. But we need to get those 08s back up there. Bottom of this is 204. So 204 will be the next move. Okay, pushing up. Can we break the 8s for me to move to the 204s? 209s. Can we see the 209s on the bid? Not seeing it. 209s heavy resistance. Okay, threw a wick through there, but could not hold over it. Can we get those 209s to hold? All right, and like that 204 is getting real testy. All right, so this bottom is the low of the 204. 203, that'll be a 5-cent risk there. And I'll be out right through this bottom if it wants to come down. If it can't get going, oh well. I will be out here. It'll be a 3-bar play to the downside. You need to see the break of the 208s here. So risking 5 cents. See if it'll get me. Will it get bought back over the 206? 206s. That looks like a double bottom there a little bit. Just a little. I don't know if that's a double bottom. Is that a double bottom? Low 204, 204. Got my out at the 203. If it breaks this double bottom, I will be out. $206 is back up there. Can we pull back through the 07s? And out. Nice. I'll take that. That little loss. What's that balance? $22 on 400 shares. I'm okay with that. Bounce down on me. I am okay with that. Let's see why. Okay, I have not looked over here at the chat in a minute. I gotta catch up. Power went out. Framework fortune call and pay by the phone. Oh man, his power went out. Three trades and the power is out. Oh my gosh, man, you better get TD Ameritrade on the phone. Yeah, it looked like it might break. Yeah, yeah, I think it was a good risk to reward. I mean, 4 cents on 400 shares right there. I think it was a good risk to reward. ACY looking like it's trying to get charged up. ACY looking quite dangerous. Has a top up here to 30. Wait, why is it moving? 800,000 shares? That's like nothing. Ew, making me nervous. I may play it small. Let's see. Let's see. May play it small. We'll see. Yeah. I was on the right one. All right. Yeah. Play this one small. Get my level 2s back up here. Nice. Going red. Pulling back up to the 75s. Can we see the 75s on the bid? '60s. Small ball here. Let's see if it can pop. In there. Wait. In there. Yeah. 10 shares. Let's see if we can get a pop out of this one. If it can give us a pop, that would be nice. Pop through the high here of the 24.54 out at the, what is this, 10 cents? Out at the, and also it's on low volume. So definitely looking for a nice pop here. 24.50s. Let's see. Coming back down. Can it give one more pullback? One more little snatch down. Can it go back green one more time? Let's see, bottom of this one. Do I still have an order out here? What is this? Oh, limit order. Nah, I'm good. I do not want any more. Can we see those 40s back on the bid? Nope. Let's see why. Playing around. Can we hold the 25s on the bid? 25s. About that dip right there. 23, 25. See the 25s back up there, if possible. '24s. All right, 22.94. For a little bit of buying action there. I'll be out 15 shares. Don't want to lose too much. Let's do the 23.50. I'll jump out of here. 23.50. It's the bottom of that. 23.83. What the heck? Where are my orders at? Smart 23.50. Got in 24.12. Let's see if we get any buying pressure through here. Should stay above the 23s. 23.96. Can we see above the 24s here? 24.01. Will that be resistance or will it move away from it? 24s needs to hold. There we go. Add it one more time there. 20 shares. Let's see if we can get a pop out. Bottom of this one, low is a 23.70. I'll be out. Change this to 20 shares. Low 23.70. 23.75. Breakdown 23.74. Nice. Got a little bit of a move there. Very small. 23.74. 24.50s. There's a nice little pop, 52 cents. Let's see if we can get the rest of the pop. 24.70s. Can we get back green on the day? Can we pop through the 75s? I'll make break even my stop out once if it pushes out. Break even is 24.17. I can do 24. 24s be the out. All right, can we get a little bit more push through there? What's this high? High of the 25.52. Nice. Getting back green on the day. $1.50 something cents. Looking for it to continue. Can we get the 25.50 back up there? 25.50 real quick. Nice. Looking to take profits up here through that 50. Can we get the 70s up there again? 70. Can we break the 70s? It's 80s. I'm going to go ahead and start popping off. Continue my keep my green day. Nice. 25.99, 26.20, taking profit. $2 taking profits. Don't know when it's going to stop, so the dump is real. 26.70, taking profits. Can we get a little bit more? Taking profits up here just in case we see fast weakness. Okay. Taking profit on this this point. Taking. Looking for it to keep going. Can we get one more little scoot out? Nope. Taking on that weakness. Any weakness, I'm taking. Got 5 shares left. Can it hold the 26? Nope. Taking. Popping back up there very quickly. Taking. And taking. Slowing down. 26.50. Nice. Taking at the top. $2.35. 27s. Can it go get the body up there? All right, I'll take right there. That should have been all my shares. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm green on the day thanks to that move right there. That move was, wow, I'm only up $14. So I made that loss back. I was down 22, so 22, that's like 13 or 30, a $30 trade or something like that. But that was $2.96 in the profit per share. So at least I made that 20 bucks back. Anyway, let's continue looking around. DYA, because it's definitely probably going to dump back down. And I may take small share size again, but not right now. Not after that. Anyway, um, one last said, Paul jumping into the next trade. Yeah, I'm jumping in because I saw opportunity right there. Very low volume, very low float equals a potential short punch. Yeah, I would have been good one life. I would have been good. That pooper got me, but you know, I just I just take each day one at a time, man. Seriously, I just don't want to end stupid green. I mean, stupid red. I mean, in this topping tail, it may give us more entries later on in the day, but just not right now. Let's see why. This is why I trade low floats. I love low floats. Very quick money. You just gotta take. Ranny, AHPI coming back down there and leveling out. Why is my daily chart not changing? All right, so let's see what we got. 1 minute. Let's do a monthly. Okay, there it is. Daily. Okay, so the daily chart on AHPI still kind of looks okay a little bit. It may be a flag pattern here. I don't know. Depends on if it switches into a downtrend. We will see though. Keep my eye on ACY for more small entries. I burned a little bit of capital on that one, but those small entries were well worth it. For 5 shares, a $2 move, that's nice. All right, looking like it wants to be sporadic. Can it give us any red? I want to see some red up here. Any red here. But then again, any red could be a dump. Yeah, I'm pretty good at spotting the dollar moves when I see them, but ACY was not up here earlier because it didn't have the volume that I needed to trade it. So it wasn't on my scanner, but it came up right in the nick of time when I needed it. Get me back green on the day. Now, here's some red. I want to see how far this thing's going to fall. How far is this thing going to dip for other entries here? Ooh, look at DYAI, drunk on power. Oh my gosh. Did that, more news just drop? Yep. Okay, so more news just dropped. 1037 looks like Sorrento enters binding term sheet to license C1 technology for development of coronavirus vaccines, therapeutics. Nice rip there, man. Look at that rip. That's a 40-cent rip on DYAI. Insane. Now, how in the world do you predict that? AHPI going down. ACY gave a little dip there. I like it. Let me go ahead and get ready to get back in on this one. I like when this one holds up a little bit. 26. The top side is 2609. Let's see if we can see 2609 up there on the bid. I'll be looking for another entry on this one. 2609. 2590. Because this one's a sporadic one. It can just see. Look at this. All right, 2609 came down, touched it. Can we hold that 2609? There we go. Got in right there. Small share size again. 5 shares, 41 cents up already. Dump down, back up. I'm gonna be looking to dump this one real quick. Keeps on doing that. All right, in there, 5 shares. Can it show me any green? Can it show me the 2609 here? There it goes. Add it one more time right there. And I'll be out at the bottom of this 2536. 2536 there. Up 28 cents. Needs to get going though. What's this? The bottom low is the 2535. Can we push to the 27s? Nice. 27s up 91 cents there. Needs to continue to push though. Looking to take profit through the top. 27s. Can we break the 27s real quick? Want to see that break. Taking some profit there. Not too comfortable with that little downwards movement. Need to see the 27 come back into play. Ooh, not liking it. Needs to go ahead and go if it's going to go. Get back to the 60s. 60s. 59s. Taking some off there. Making me nervous here. Taking some profit. 39 cents. Can we get the 60s, 70s? Nice. Don't see the 70s yet. Okay, I don't like that. Selling right there a little bit. Cancel last. Looking for some green here. Selling right above my break even there. Don't really trust it now. Go ahead and take off right there. I can enter back in on another green. Small share size. I don't trust it right here. I don't trust the dips because the dips can really dip. All right, so the top of this one is the 2640 is what I want to see hold on the bid. 2640s, 24s. This thing is way too volatile to be holding on the downside. 2640s. Yep, looks like the shorts are taking control here. Let's see if it'll dip a little bit. 2603s has a 30 cent range right now. So very dangerous to be holding on the downward movements. I'm waiting, watching. Want to see it hold over this 2640 body level here. 2640. Okay. 2640 is what I'm looking for. 13s. Can we get the 2625s to start to hold on the bid? 2624s on the bid. 2640s. 2605s. Yeah, the ask is coming down here. It's at the 22 now, so it was at the 30, so it is closing down a little bit. I may wait to oh, there it is, holding. There's 2640s. Can we get the 2640s on the bid? 2616, 2640, 49s right there. Want to see it on the bid though. Needs to get up there. 38s, 2618s, 2618 still there. Don't trust it yet. Need to see at least above the 25s. 20s, 21s. Looking for those 40s to hold on the bid. 25s. Can we break above the 25s? Nope. Got up there, bid touched the 25s and then down. So we'll wait. It's going to give us a little bit of downwards movement here. Back towards the 26. So I definitely wait on that. Facing a little bit of pressure down there. AHPI did go down. ACY. DAY. Oh, I forgot to watch this one. It opened up at about the same level. Went up. Don't like it. Probably gonna fall a little bit here. Where's the volume in the world? Yeah, I'm not liking this movement. Yeah, that one, I don't like that movement at all. All right, ACY looking like it's back up there where I need it to be. Can we get those 40s? I like it. Yep, in there. Taking again, right there on that dip. Put my stop out on the low 2602. 2602. But I get in 10 shares. There's a little blast off. Can we get the blast off through this top? High is a 2750. Can we touch that? Nice bottom down here, 2596. 2596. I have to get out of here. 25, $26. 26, 25, 26.50. I'll go ahead and get out. 26.50, 10 shares. Just in case it doesn't want to hold up these 90s. Got my out right there ready to go. Just in case it wants to act crazy. It did act crazy and get down there. Stop me out right there. I'll take it. Broke down through that 50. Let's see what else we got. Nothing else really looking okay. But it is giving us a nice dip entry. DYAI definitely needs to pull back some. Broke that 200 moving average there. Can it hold up the 488s will be the question. 488s is right here. So that's the 200 moving average support level. 488s right there. That's what we need to see it consolidate above. Back out here to ACY. Did give the dip. Nice little dip down there. Can it give us some more? Give us more of a dip. 20s back up to the 40s. I want to see a long dip because this one can pop. 24s. This is the first red. Looks like it's going to be the first red closing 15-minute candle. So we want to be careful on that as well. All right. All right, all right, all right. Like it wants to get back up. Is that as far as it wants to dip? Looks like it. See, it had a bottom here, the 2602. Draw that support line. 2602. Dipping down there. Be very vigilant here. Can it break that level? Yeah, DYAI has just lost all of its movement. It's just hanging around that 505 level. It's got to go and test that 488, 200 moving average. Right, getting that nice little dip. How far are we going to dip here? This one has 1 minute left on this little dip. Right. Okay, looking like it's done dipping. So let me go ahead and play. Let's see, what's the top side of this? It's holding up this top side of the 2630s is what I want to see it hold. 2630s on the bid. Can we get a little shoot back up? 2630s. Nope. Looks like it's fading off. Even the ask is below the 2630, so definitely gonna keep it down. Working its way down. And now the range is closing up here. $26. So we're looking at a dump here. All right. Anything else? Curry. What? It's at the 200 moving average. Looked like it tapped it and came down. What is this? Q2 loss narrows as revenue rises. Okay, not a whole lot of action in that one. This one's retesting the high. Didn't get down there and touch that 488 yet. So, not a good sign. Probably going to be a bull trap there. CACY starting to find itself. Okay, I like it. Can we hold the 2630s? There we go. Can we hold them? 2630s. Actually, we need to hold a little bit higher than that. 2660s is the level. 2660s will be a red to green. Not really seeing anything, man. Now, but it's okay. I can walk away green on the day right now and be okay. Yeah, that's definitely looking like a bull trap. Breaking on down, breaking on down. Yeah, yeah, Ben. It's just not looking too hot, man. I mean, I tried to trade the higher float stocks, but they just don't give me the moves I'm looking for. And I'm pretty good at taking profit quickly if I get the profit that I'm looking for. If it's like 5 cents, I'm gonna be like, nah, bruh. We're gonna need a little bit more payment. VWAP is a 2470. First red candle of the day. Will it break down VWAP? Will it transition into a downtrend? If so, it's gonna be okay. Just go and do something else for the day. Had two, so all of the days this week have been green, but it's just been so wacky. Like, like volume will come in and then it's like, eh. Now I do know there's different zones during the day. You know, you have the open, then you have like the lunchtime period, and then you have the power hour. But the morning has been quite weird, especially with like these weak catalysts around here. Let me see what CW whatever did. Is it touching the bottom of the ocean yet? Yep. Look at that. Nice little shovel down there touching the bottom of the ocean. Broke that $2 and is at almost 150. Crazy. I took a little bit of a loss on that one, but definitely not that much. ACY getting up here and curling. Let's see how far you can pop back. Curling off that bottom. Let this candle close to see where the decision is. This candle has almost 5 minutes on it, so no trades for me for the next 5 minutes. I like it. I like it a lot. We're gonna let it make a decision though. How many shares of this can I get now? I got $847 left. Look at that thing go. All right, I need to get ready to trade this. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Will it pull back below the set? Nope, it's going. Oh, I missed it. Dang it, I missed that. Well, I have to wait. It definitely got up though. Wait for the next candle. Big pullback. That was far fast, wasn't it? But it just seems like it wants to go higher. I don't know. Yep. See if it can get a pullback. The top side of this was a 27.58. I definitely missed that one. I didn't expect it to take off that fast. There was like no consolidation. Um, let's see. Support level down here. Put this as a support level. See if it can hold over this 27.30s or whatever. It's got 2 minutes left on this candle. Lot of buying in there. Look at this thing go. It looks like it wants to go to 28.70. I'm not willing yet. Oh my gosh, 29 in that joint. Are y'all seeing this? Something's wrong with me. Hold up. Oh, yeah, that's right. 29.25. Gee whiz. That is an amazing move off the bottom. $25 up to the 30 in one candle. One 5 minute candle. That is insanity. I did not get in there on that one. Let's look at the 1 minute. How'd the 1 minute look on this build up? Yeah, it just took off on them as well. Broke this 2568 up here, just kept going. So nice. Didn't really give me any entry right there. It came down to VWAP, but I didn't know how it will react to VWAP. Last time it consolidated on VWAP. So that's what I was kind of looking for, but it just took off. It took off, boy. I mean, yeah, you can say it's a bull trap, but if you got in here, you're okay. But then again, look at the let me see how much volume was on this candle. I don't know if this one was a bull trap. I don't know if this one was a bull trap. It doesn't look like a bull trap pattern here. But we will see. Boy, boy, boy. So this thing finally hit the top and coming back down to test this 488. I'm just going to leave these higher float stocks alone, man. They always ruin my day. I make money on the low floats and then the high floats are just like, nah, bruh. Framework Fortune says I'm up more than that on farm alone. Oh, you're in farm too, Ben? I didn't know you were in farm. All right, no. You did tell me you were in farm. Yeah. But farm, ugh. Where did you get in on this one? You gotta be red. You gotta be red. Unless you got in, let's see, where was the low? Yeah, I don't know about farm. That doesn't ugh. Rainy halting going down. ACY halted at the 11:17:44, so should be opening up at the 11:22:44. 11:22:44. So in 2 minutes. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. That takeoff was crazy, bro. Very low volume on that candle. DYIA is done. It tried. Got a big rip like ACY. But we'll see what happens after ACY opens. 29 bucks up right now. I may play it small on the open to see what kind of action comes. Because I know it popped up on everybody's hot scanner. And it's up 71%. So I don't want to get trapped with them. We'll see how high it opens. 11:17, 11:22:44. 11:22:44. Let's see, boys. Let's see. $44. This is the second time it's been up to the $30 level, isn't it? In like a couple of days. $31 up here is the resistance. Oh, this is 1 minute. That's why. Let's go to the daily chart. Okay, on the daily chart, yeah. Where was this? 2020. Yeah, looks like it's working its way up there. Has a little bit of resistance at the 31. So let's see what we can get here. Couple of seconds left. Let's see how it opens. Dip down. Yeah. Oh man. Let's go. Let's see if it can push up a little bit more. Can it give us a dip down? 89. Don't just go. Nice. Give us a little bit of red. Entered again right there. It might have missed me. I tried to enter. Yeah, I tried to enter. Oh well. Missed that one. 73 cents up, $1.34 up on that rip. Let's see if we can start taking profit. Not even calculating too good. Added on that dip. 10 shares in. See if it can push up to the 33s. 33 level. We'll take some profit off here. Not liking it. Needs to get those 33.75s here. Taking around that break-even level. Looking, can it get any help through the top? Not liking it. Getting all out right there. Big dip. I did kind of buy the top. That's why I was kind of like, let me go and get out of here. Not about to hold that hammer. All right. Giving a little bit of a pullback. Can we hold up the 31s? 31s, can we hold them? 31s. Nice little dip there. Ooh, big dip. Glad I took off right there. Praise God. That would have hurt. All right, getting back up there. Can we hold the 30-50, 30-50 level on the bid? Not seeing the 30-50s. 30-50s. Got in a little bit right there to see if it can hold up. 30-50. There we go. Holding up again. Added a little bit more. Looking to stay 29.21 is my out. 29.21 is my out here. 10 shares. 29.21. That'll be my stop out. 29.25 stop out. Yeah, I'm going to put it out there. Got out right there. Nice, nice. Yeah, I had to get out on that one. It's looking a little bit heavy. Can we hold up the 30-50s? On the daily chart, it did fail to hold. Let's see, it's still holding over the 28.50. So that may be a buy spot. I'm literally playing with the smallest share size on this candle, on this stock. All right, 29.50s. Can we hold up the body of this candle here? 29.41. What's the bottom? Low is the 29.50, 29.40s. Can we get sporadic here? Getting down there. Getting down there close to that bottom level. Will it drop under this high of the 28.21? Yep, dipping on down. Yeah, I don't like it. You. Oh boy. Yeah, CWBR was kind of trash. It was moving since. That's why I went in so heavy on it. It was like $2. But I ended up, see, it just wasn't one that would run. It wasn't a low float. Had little weak news. Everything was against it. All right, so I like this pullback. I may jump in on this pullback here. Let's see, how far are you gonna go down? How many minutes? We got 30 seconds left on this candle. Can it drop some more? Dropping. Can we crack that 28? Failure of the 28, I'll look to get in. Failure of the break of the 28. All right, so now on this candle, it's a little bit more risky. 28.01 was the low. So it may actually break even further than the 28 on this one. This thing is insane. Insanity. I'm gonna wait. Very, very wishy-washy stock. Let's see. I literally can take one more small trade on it, and that's it. Entry level, let's see, 28. The high is a 28, 29.50. $29.50. Getting a small share size there in this unpredictable stock. Unless it breaks this low right here. Low of the 28. 29.51. All right, my buy is out there. If it wants to get me in, go ahead. I'll use this as my out. Literally 5 shares. It's not going anywhere. Sporadic stop. Will it break this bottom here? 28.05. Stop out. 28.05. Will it break the bottom there? I'll cancel the order if it does. Low 28.01, 28.01, double bottom there. Will it break the 28? $28.01's continue to hold up. Low of the 28. Breakdown, yep. Go ahead and cancel that order real quick and nice. I think I'm down just a little bit on the day. I'm okay with that. I'm down $4. $4. So it's whatever. I'll come back tomorrow. Try it out again. Let's see, find a chart. Let's see. About okay. All right, nice, nice. All right, what are we doing here? Got to break all the way back up to the 2961. 2961 to be a viable stock now. High 2950. Oh, will it turn around at any point today? I don't know. Would like to see it hold in this body though. So let me ask y'all this. I tried to look for opportunities all over the market, right? But for the most part, most of my green trades come from like super low float stocks. Like, I mean, super low float. So I think I'm just gonna. I don't know if I should just leave high floats alone altogether because my statistics in the high float. I mean, I make winning trades, but it's like a couple of cents. It's not something that's just crazy. It's like maybe 30 cents, maybe 25 cents. But when I trade the low floats, I can squeeze off a lot more. So I'm like, should I just leave high floats alone? Low float is such a con. Disappointed in you, young traders. Yeah. Well, I was only up like 14 bucks. I mean, it was like, oh, okay, 14 bucks. Wasn't like I was up 100, and I'm only down 4 bucks. So, be a different thing if I was up 100 and gave it all back. This thing's coming back down to VWAP once again. I doubt it'll be able to do this again, though. That was a crazy run up. $28.61. Let me read what you got. Daniel, do you have a trade journal? Yes, I do. Lime, you can't make money. Yeah, MSEC, yes, I have a trade journal. I've traded, I think I have like, see, how many trades have I taken? I think I have like 4 or 5,000 trades in it that are documented. So I pretty much keep up, and I know my winning trades pretty much come from the low floats, like super low floats. Um, but that entry that I was doing up there was not a usual entry, just jumping in. Let's see what we got. 27. How much? Do you look for flow percentage, basic resistance, Sicilian? And there are so many people who will outsmart you. Sicilian, 60 million. All right. Top side of this is the 2839. 2860s is where we would like to see it touch. 2861. But only seeing selling pressure in here. AHPI came down to the bottom. What's the daily chart look like? Not looking too good. Will this finally break VWAP? Let's see. What up, Roscoe? Did you catch ORPH? No, ORPH was trash. It just didn't make the moves we were looking for this morning. We watched it, we saw it, but ORPH just, it was so trash. Did you trade it pre-market or after the open? Well, actually, pre-market it wasn't doing anything. Yeah, nice little choppy moves up there. But I did trade ACY and another little mover that I thought was gonna get going, but it just didn't. Let's see, 2841, 2846, 2850. I've tried with small share size, 2851. '51s. This thing's got to go all the way up here to 2861, 2862. And the volume is drying up. Oh well. Don't know if I want to risk my little monies here. $28.62. Yeah, I don't know, man. That was looking questionable. Oh, there it is. 2860s, 2862, where I was aiming. I want to see this candle close though. It's kind of weird. Weird little candle. Got 3 minutes left on this one. People buying it up. Like some shorts coming in there as well. Can we go green? Can we see it hold green here? Not looking like it. Last time it just went. No kind of pressure on it. Let's see why. All right. All right. That one looks like it's giving up. Top of this high is the 28. 28, 25. I wanted to see if it can crack that 26, 28. Some pops there. 26.32. Will it break it? Yeah, breaking down. I don't like where it's testing. Looking like it's gonna go on down. No, I don't have a syndrome. I don't have a syndrome. I'm calling what it's doing. I'm like, oh, it's going down. It's breaking this level. I'm analyzing the stock, Daniel B. What are you talking about, brother? What are you talking about? Do I look like I want to trade this? All right. Curry. Everything else is pretty much cut and dry this morning. I can't wait till we get some actual catalysts. It's gonna be so cool. Rainy. Anyway, let's go over the trades for today. I did take some green trades, took some red trades, but the beginning was CWBR for 400 shares. I ended up, I guess I did get a little slippage. I thought I got 4 cents, but it was actually, it looks like it sold it in two parts. 113 at 5 cents and then 287 at 6 cents. Still pretty close fields to my stop loss. That one was $22 down. And then on ACY, the biggest one that I took off was about $3 in the profit per share. But it was one of those weird ones, you know. Let's see. And then I took some losing trades on ACY as well on small share size. So took some 10 shares, 8 shares, but it was a more expensive stock, so I really couldn't play with it like that. Let's see, transactions, refresh. Okay. So yeah, here are my buying prices. ACY was doing like 150 per entry there, which can get quite expensive, $150 like that. Anyway, let's see. Do we have anything else out here? If not, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. It is 10:46. Everything's kind of wacky now. Yeah, look at that popping around. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead. I don't know what this thing is. It's PSTV plus therapeutics to present data from 2 studies supporting the treatment of leptomeningeal Give me 1 second. Leptomeningeal metastasis. Leptomeningeal metastasis with rhenium 186 nanoliposome. Okay, so what are they trying to get rid of though? Like, what's the actual? Well, I guess that was a disease, but plus therapeutics to present. They're just presenting data. It's not something super hot. All right. Anyway, that is my trades for today. I'm sitting down $4.34 on the day. I had an absolute horrible day with a monster loss, and some days are like this. These red days are very, very. They can add up, man. $4 over a couple of times, it can add up. But definitely be careful out here trading in the market. Um, you know, I it's just hard out here, man. It's hard. Anyway, let's go ahead and shut it down. Yep, yep. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Appreciate you, Daniel B and One Life for helping new traders. Please do not give horrible advice to new traders, please. Because sometimes Daniel B does it out of spite. Like he knows what to look for, but he will spite you. He will do it. So yeah, One Life. It would have been a home run. I think what I'm gonna do is just focus in on low floats and not even worry about the high floats. I tried it, but it just doesn't work. It doesn't work for me. So low floats it is from now on. Just and the thing that I hate about doing low floats only is on the days that high float stocks are moving, they're not on the scanner. So I'm like, I don't like them. I don't like them. So I'm gonna just stick to the low floats. But anyway, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Um, Anything else? You can check out any other videos on my channel or Framework Fortune. I'll be over there. I'll be over here. I'll be on the website, frameworkfortune.com. If you have any questions that do not pertain to trading, like Sicilian, I believe it was yesterday, we got to talking about IT stuff. Email me. That's the best way to do it. Email me and we can talk about that kind of stuff. But while I'm trading, bro, my mind is like completely away. And I missed so many of your chats yesterday. But definitely, if you want to talk about the IT stuff, please email me. And I think my email is on my About page on YouTube, I believe. Let me see if I can drop it in here real quick in the chat. So, yeah, if we're getting away from trading, let me go ahead and get that. Come on. All right. I got multiple emails, but this one is the one that gets to me the quickest. Okay. And then over here in the chat, let's drop that in there. Yes, there it is. Right. Did it send? There we go. Yeah, that's my email. Just in case you want to talk about things other than trading, sure, we can do that. But anyway, that is it for today. And as always, let's see, what does Sicilian say? Need some books, Daniel B. and One Life, man. Yeah, yeah. Make sure y'all we'll be back tomorrow morning. Maybe Daniel B can come with his catalog of books that he has, because he has a catalog of books. But anyway, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.